Hi everybody and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen. Today we are in the backyard doing some backyard barbecue grilling. We are going to make some teriyaki chicken wings and some grilled veggies. Who doesn't love veggies from a grill, especially during the summer? It's beautiful today. It's warm, no breeze. So let's get started. We're going to start with the teriyaki sauce. We're going to marinate our chicken wings. We have 3/4 cup soy sauce. I like the low sodium. We have a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. 3 tablespoons of crushed up ginger. It's delicious. If you want to add more, I suggest adding more. More the better. We also have some crushed up garlic. You know, I love my ginger and garlic, if you watch the channel. We have 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil. It's gonna permeate the chicken wings. It's gonna be so delicious. You want to add, of course, a 1/2 cup of water to dilute. 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. Use your favorite brand. I have a little sriracha chili sauce. So good. And we have some rice wine vinegar. It's 3 tablespoons rice wine vinegar. And of course, if you don't catch the recipe, you could always check down below and see the recipe in the link. Then we have 1/4 cup chopped up, diced up red onion and scallion. I love the taste of scallion. It goes all throughout the marinade, and if you don't put it in, you'll miss it. It's really good. And now what you want to do is you want to stir it up pretty well so the sugar dissolves. There you go. You can keep stirring it, but for time's sake, I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like. We're going to go ahead. If you're cooking with meat, you want to make sure you have some ice with it. Keep it cool, especially if it's outdoors and it's hot. We are going to pour the marinade into a bag. Use a bag you could reseal. And you're going to let this marinate 4 hours or overnight to make sure all the flavors get into the chicken. When you're done the next day, voila! This is what it looks like. Now, I did drain some of the juices out of it before I brought it out to the backyard because I don't want all the juices dripping in to the barbecue. And it's that easy, and then we'll put it on the barbecue. But before I do that, I'm going to start the grilled veggies so you can see what that looks like. Oh. This is a delicious vegetable grill that I use. Now, normally you would use olive oil, salt and pepper. I am using marinated artichokes, and I'm using a tablespoon of the oil that's in it to add the flavor to the veggies. I have everything pre-measured because I want it to be ready when we came out in the backyard. I have a cup of baby Bella mushrooms. I have it's about a cup, maybe 2 cups of tomatoes. I kind of just threw them in there. Now you could use whatever veggies you want. If you want to put broccoli on the grill, you could put broccoli on the grill. It's delicious. I'm using asparagus because it was fresh in the store. And of course, some bell pepper. Now you can leave the bell pepper bigger, but I chopped it up for time's sake. And we are grilling it on a grate, so nothing's gonna fall through. So you could chop it up as small or as big as you want. And then I got a whole baggie full of zucchini. It's more than 2 cups, easy. And then what I did is I took an ear of corn and I chopped them up into smaller pieces. And then this way, they're not so big when you put them on your plate. And if you do that, if you have a big crowd and you tend to do that, more people will tend to be able to fit more on their plate. Marinated artichoke hearts. Now I have used the regular artichoke hearts that are not in the marinade, but then I go ahead and I add the oil. So this oil, it has the flavor of the marinated artichoke hearts, and it adds the oil I need. And then we're gonna go ahead and go over to the grill and put these on. We're gonna cook them for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, just until they get soft and crisp. And the wings we're gonna put on a little bit longer than that. They're gonna be about 40, 45 minutes until the skin is crispy. And it's making my mouth water. So let's go over to the grill now. I'll take this with me. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna go ahead, put it on the grill. Woo! It's nice and hot. This is my Traeger grill, and it is set for 350. We're gonna go ahead and just scoop out the veggies. Look at that. The mushrooms, the corn. So the Traeger has a smoke to it, so it's gonna add a little bit more flavor to it. But you could always do a smoke wood chip bath. I've seen those online. Whoops, already fell. Yum! There you go. Then we're gonna go ahead and put the wings on. Teriyaki wings. And these we're gonna cook until they are nice and crispy. I'll turn them about halfway through and make sure everything is getting the flame and all the sides are getting cooked. Just like that. Close the lid. We're gonna come back in about halfway through. So I'm gonna check the veggies in about 10 minutes or so. Give them a little shush and mix it up a little bit. And check on the meat. If the meat's looking okay, I'll give it another 10 minutes after that and then flip them over. They'll be delicious. Okay, you guys, you have to see these veggies. I let them cook between 20 and 25 minutes, and look how amazing they look. They are soft and delicious. So you kind of want to take them out when the asparagus is crispy but tender, and the zucchini is still firm and it's not mushy. And really, truth be told, when the tomatoes start collapsing, they become juicy, sweet. That's when I know you take them off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite. I love barbecue tomatoes. They're super sweet, so delicious. They absorb the smoke flavor in the barbecue. They're just amazing. So I'm gonna set these aside, take off the chicken, take a peek at them. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but they are crispy. They're caramelized from the sugar and the teriyaki. So they're ooey gooey delicious. Woo, they're hot. Now these were in about 45 minutes to 50 minutes. You want to make sure that the outside is crispy. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? Let me close this. They are sizzling, ooey gooey, delicious, crispy teriyaki chicken wings. Now, I could take a bite of one of these. Oh my gosh, but I'm not. It's too hot. But take my word on it. If you like this recipe and you like our backyard grilling, please go ahead and subscribe, comment, and like. Let me know what you think. And we'll see you next time in the backyard.